What's going on, guys? Jasper back with a new video today. I'm just playing in the temporary test room for Bee Swarm, and I've made some big accomplishments. Oh, Windy Bee! Ha ha ha! What perfect timing! Holy! I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. Schoolwork and that gets involved. This Windy Bee's gonna die. It's gonna get destroyed. Where did he go? Windy Bee's really cheeky. Oh, he's going to Rose. Woo. Ooh, come on. Getting some good loot from this Windy Bee. But I suppose it's on my own. Nobody's really helping me. And the crazy thing about this something is that I'm better in this realm than the actual Bee Swarm simulator. Why? Oh, yay! I made it. Good, I defeated Coconut Crab. Woo woo! That's actually the first time ever. Even in the real realm, I've never defeated him. He's that hard. And I don't even have a vicious speed. It's insane. Where is he? Where did he go? What the? Oh, come on. Where are you? Dumb Windy Bee. Come here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come on. Don't be afraid to show yourself. It's just me. Oh, he's right over there. Facepalm. Woo! Oh, I wish Windy Bee blew that ladybug away. Well, that would actually be pretty funny if he did. Thank you so much for getting me to 16 subs. I really appreciate it, actually. Yeah. X-Flame. Where'd he go now? Down a blue flower now. He's a level 9. And he's getting annihilated. Yes. Getting so many star jellies. Come here, Windy Bee. He's a level 10. Mainly all of my bees are level 8. Like around 42 bees are level 8. Yeah, so that makes a really big difference to how much damage we're doing. Already. So also, guys, if you can access the test realm, a code to use for the Onet's field is hibernation. Leave it down in the comments below. Where'd he go? Yes. Yeah, so I'll leave the code down, some codes down in the comment sections below already if you haven't used them though. He's getting annihilated. Also did buy all the OP masks. Demon, Gummy, what else is it? Oh yeah, and Diamond. Oh, oops. Why did I jump? Huge rewards from Windy Bee though. Huge. Where'd he go now? there? Where did he go? Oh. How did I not see him? Oh no. Nah, we're not gonna kill him. Got him to level 12 on our own. Sorry about that. Okay, so that was actually a pretty good fight. Let's see how much we got. Whoa. 33 glitter, not bad. Ooh, a star treat. I don't know how I got that. I don't know how I got that actually. Oh, I got a tropical drink from Windy Bee. Just in the chat. I didn't get them. Oh, I didn't. I got. Oh, whoa. I didn't get that gifted silver egg from Windy Bee. I just got it from Tunnel Bear first time I destroyed him. Speaking of that, I should go try and just bust him now. Literally 1 second it takes me to kill him. Oh my. So I might actually save up for Petal Wand. I'm not sure though. Oh, he's right there. Okay, I can just stand here. Look how fast he's getting annihilated. Without a vicious bee as well. I get another gifted silver egg. Holy, my luck is insane. How insane is that though, guys? That's insane. Another gifted silver egg. So I might do a donation on them, but I probably won't be doing it now. And I'm gonna use my star tree to probably save him. Oh no! Wrong timing. Should we make a big gifted? I don't know, guys. You tell me down in the comments below. Because I don't know. I can't make decisions. I don't know why though. Alright. You know what? I think I can do something. Oh no, but we wouldn't have enough stingers. I'm thinking if we could we might have enough to get like heaps and heaps of red extract. Oh, no. Not enough. Let's see what we can make. Oh, we can make a tropical drink, but no, we're not gonna make one. Ooh. I've never made a super smoothie before. But we're not gonna waste it all. Whoa. 9 star jellies, but it's not worth it. Probably make some more glitters actually. It's probably a little bit more worth it, but you can use some more glitters. Ooh, I'm not sure. Cobalt, Crimson. Cobalt, Crimson, Cobalt, Crimson! Ah! I don't know. You tell me down in the comments. I don't know. So that's why I said it's hard for me to make decisions. It's hard for me to make decisions. Just gonna make some blue extract anyway. Whip up some blue extract. Okay. I really don't know what to do. Let's annihilate. Oh, I keep getting microconverters, but I don't have enough storage. Because I already got 50. Let's kill these anti. Oh, one shot. be ending the video here. Next video we will be playing on this same test realm, but I'm going to be defeating the coconut crab, and even possibly doing a big boost somewhere around the map. I don't know where though. Maybe in pumpkin patch. Yeah, let's do that. So that will be the end of the video here, guys. So peace out. Goodbye. Oh yeah. Bye guys.